Welcome to Lucky Naresh Physics channel. Students, in this session I am going to discuss about power factor and wattless current. Power factor. How we will calculate power factor? Students, you know that average power in AC circuit for complete cycle, that is P average is equal to ERMS into IRMS cos phi. Look at here. P average is equal to ERMS IRMS into cos phi. Where ERMS means, you know that root means square value of alternating EMF, and IRMS means root means square value of alternating current, and phi is the phase angle between EMF and current. Okay, students, in this equation the product ERMS and IRMS gives apparent power. When this apparent power is multiplied with factor cos phi, then we will get actual power. So here the power, that means here the factor cos phi is called power factor. Look at here. See, here we will get true power. We will get true power. Here we will get true power is equal to apparent power into power factor. Okay, so here we can calculate power factor from this equation. How we will calculate? Look at here. Therefore power factor is equal to true power by apparent power. Okay, students, in LCR circuit, what is the formula for cos phi? That means in series LCR circuit, what is the formula for cos phi? Look at here. We know that here cos phi equal to R by Z. R means resistance, Z means impedance. You know that. In the place of Z, what can I write? I can write root over R square plus XL minus XC whole square. Okay. Here power factor varies in between 0 to 1. That means it has minimum value and maximum value. How we will get minimum and maximum value here? Look at here. For suppose if circuit is inductive circuit or capacitive circuit, then what is the phase angle between EMF and current? That is pi by 2. At that case we will get minimum power factor. Look at here. When circuit is capacitive or inductive. When circuit is capacitive or inductive. Okay. When circuit is capacitive or inductive, what is the phase angle between EMF and current? Look at here. The phase angle here phi equal to pi by 2. When phi equal to pi by 2, then power factor cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. See, therefore power factor cos pi by 2 equal to 0. That means here when circuit is inductive or capacitive, power factor has its minimum value. When circuit is resistive circuit, see, when circuit is resistive circuit, see here the phase angle between current and EMF is 0. Why 0? Because in resistive circuit both current and EMF are in same direction. Look at here. Here phi equal to 0. Therefore power factor, that is cos phi, cos 0, that equal to 1. So power factor has maximum value in resistive circuit and power factor has minimum value in capacitive and inductive circuit. Okay students, that's about power factor. Look at here. Finally what can I write? Therefore power factor varies between 0 to 1. Okay. So here note, power factor has minimum value when circuit is inductive or capacitive. See, power factor has minimum value in capacitive circuit, capacitive or inductive circuit. And second one, power factor has maximum value in resistive circuit. See, power factor has maximum value in resistive circuit. Okay, so that's about power factor. Students, now wattless current. The current which consumes no power for its maintenance is called wattless current. Or if power consumption by the current in an AC circuit is 0, such current is called wattless current. Look at here. We know P average is equal to ERMS into IRMS cos phi. Here phi is the phase angle between ERMS and IRMS. Look at here. See, it is ERMS and it is IRMS. Okay, the phase angle between them is phi. Here I can resolve this IRMS into two components. Its horizontal component IRMS cos phi and its vertical component. See, if I draw one imaginary line here, okay, then its vertical component IRMS sin phi. Okay, here horizontal component is in the direction of ERMS. So the phase angle between them is 0. Look at here. In first case, IRMS cos phi and ERMS are in same phase. Okay, therefore phi is equal to 0. That means phi equal to 0 degree. Now we can calculate average power. Average power is equal to ERMS into IRMS plus what I need to write? I need to write horizontal component, that is IRMS cos phi into, in this cos phi place I need to write cos 0. Okay, cos 0. See, cos 0 means 1. So you will get P average is equal to ERMS into IRMS cos phi. Here the horizontal component of current consumes power. Okay. Where it happens? It happens in resistive circuit. In resistive circuit, EMF and current are in same phase. There it will consume power. Okay. Next, in second case, the vertical component IRMS sin phi perpendicular with ERMS. So phase angle between them is pi by 2. Look at here. Vertical component IRMS sin phi and ERMS are perpendicular to each other. That implies phi equal to pi by 2. Okay. Therefore, P average is equal to ERMS into IRMS. IRMS means I need to take vertical component. Look at here. IRMS sin phi, okay, into cos phi. Cos phi means cos phi pi by 2. See, cos pi by 2 0. So we will get average power 0. Look at here. P average is equal to 0. Since cos pi by 2 equal to 0. So for vertical component of current, we got average power 0. That means vertical component of current is ideal current or wattless current. Where it happens? It happens in inductive circuit or capacitive circuit. See, in inductive circuit and capacitive circuit, the phase angle between EMF and current is pi by 2. Okay? Look at here. Example, in inductive circuit or capacitive circuit, phi equal to what? Pi by 2. See, both capacitive and inductive circuit I am taking here. So I will consider plus or minus pi by 2. Okay. So here I can calculate average power. Look at here. Now average power P average equal to ERMS into IRMS cos bracket of plus or minus pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 0, you will get P average is equal to 0. Okay. So inductive circuit and capacitive circuit consumes no power. So the current in that circuit is called wattless current. In inductive and capacitive circuit, current consumes no power. Such current is called wattless current. In such circuits, current sometimes is in the direction of voltage or sometimes against the voltage. Due to that, the net work done per cycle is 0. Students, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for all notifications. Thank you.